Hey there, we're going to take a quick look at tuning your banjo to different tunings. So I'm starting in standard open G tuning, which is G, D, G, B, D. Now if I wanted to move over to sawmill tuning from here, all I need to do is move my B string up a half step to a C. So I just take my second string and now I'm in sawmill tuning. G, D, G, C, D. That's sawmill tuning. If I want to move to double C tuning, now I just leave, this B is already moved up to a C. Now I also have to move this D, my fourth string, down to a C. And now I'm in double C tuning. G, C, G, C, D. That puts me in C tuning. G, C, G, C, D. If I want to move back up to standard tuning, I have to move this low C up to a D. I have to move this C down to a B. Just a half step. And each time I'll check all of the strings because it will probably pull it out of tune. Any song that you're playing in double D tuning, if it's in the D tuning, you can play it in a double C tuning. You follow all the same things, so if you were going to capo up and play in your D tuning, you could tune it without the capo and then just bring the A up. Or same for sawmill tuning. If it's capoed up, you can always uncapo and just practice it there too. So I hope that helps you, and good luck.